Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how to make video on CapCut. Anyway, I think CapCut is one of the best app because we can do everything with editing just in one app. So how to use CapCut to create videos easily for starting or just for fun. After you downloaded CapCut apps, just open and you can click import or add some photos, videos or audios that you want to edit. For example, and you can just drag here or make a clip. You can check out the preview panel timeline here and toolbar feature here. You can split the clip, delete the clip. You can freeze the clip, reverse the clip, mirror, rotate, crop. You can change the aspect ratio here, and you can add the audio text sticker effect transition. You can adjust for position and size, fill the background, stabilize. You can adjust for the audio. You can adjust for the speed, add the animation, and many more you can getting from CapCut. So after you finish editing the video, you can click export button in the top right corner. You can adjust for resolution, frame rate, and etc. Just click export. So I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut for video editing for the first time. So if you found it useful, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciating it. So thanks, bye bye.